guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super exciting unboxing video. I don't know if you can see like the enormity of this package, but it is big and heavy. She's a chunky one and it's just been sitting in like the corner of my room basically screaming at me to open it. Normally when it comes to mail I open that shit straight away, but I knew I wanted to sit down and open it on camera, so I finally found time to do so. This video is actually in collaboration with UNiDAYS, which I'm so excited about. I've loved and used UNiDAYS for years, so when they reached out to me and asked to do a video together, I was like, yes please. If you guys aren't familiar with what UNiDAYS is, it's basically an online platform that you sign up to as a student, whether that's high school or university, and then it gives you access to a bunch of different student discounts at your favorite places. I'm talking like Cotton On, ASOS, Kiki K, Adidas, Ray-Ban even. So many different amazing brands, so many savings. Honestly, from one broke university student to another, I cannot recommend enough. So if you guys are interested in checking them out, I will have a link down below. They're also doing a bunch of exciting giveaways over on the UNiDAYS Instagram if you guys want to check that out as well. But yeah, I'm so excited to open this package, finally. I have absolutely no idea what's in here. All I know is it's like back to uni related, and I'm pretty sure it's all from Typo, which I love. Oh my god, this is so stinking cute. Can you guys see that? It says UNiDAYS. It's got a little ribbon. Oh my god, I need to Instagram story this. Oh, should I do a little boomerang of me like opening the ribbon all seductively? That is a sexy, sexy boomerang. Okay, I'm so excited to see what's in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, first thing I see is a UNiDAYS visor. Is this what it's called? I don't know. See if this fits my big ass head. Oh my god, it does. It's a miracle. Should I wear this for the rest of the video? Is this really obnoxious? I can't tell. Look, I spent like 20 minutes doing my hair, so we're not gonna wear that for the entirety of this video, but I definitely will be wearing that. Look out for my Instagram. Maybe I'll post a little sneaky pic. So the first thing they sent me is a Typo 2019 A5 planner. Guys, look what I have here. A true Typo fan. I actually got this for Christmas and I love it. I use it all the time. But this is definitely a little bit more convenient. It's not as large and in charge. Oh, and it still has the monthly spread. This is like my favorite thing. This is a huge must for me when it comes to planners. A little marble pen that is so cute. They also sent me, what is this? An A5 hidden spiral journal. Dot pages, oh my god. I've secretly always wanted one of these. How did they know? I can like maybe bullet journal? I don't know. This is so cute. And on the front it says expert procrastinator, which is just so me. Oh, I also got a little UNiDAYS tote bag. 100% rad, 0% sad. I love that. What else is in here? Is this a laptop case? I don't know who put this together, but it's like they literally read my mind. I somehow misplaced my laptop case and I've been meaning to buy one for such a long time now. This is incredible, wow. And it's nice and neutral, but with like a pop of color. This is so cute. Oh my god, this is, stop. I don't mean to be dramatic, but it is furry on the inside. I also got a UNiDAYS water bottle. Oh, this is cute, a little keep cup thingy. Perfect for tea and coffee. I was literally just thinking this morning when I was grabbing my coffee how I need to buy a reusable one, so that's perfect. And it matches my planner. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna use that for my morning coffee tomorrow. Metal drink bottle. You are kidding me. Are you seeing this? It literally has my initials on it. This is a, stop. It's a personalized water bottle that is so cute and it's white. Oh my god, I was gonna take a swig, but there's absolutely nothing in there. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. I literally feel like this is Christmas and I've just been spoiled to the nines. What else is in here? A lunch cutlery set. Oh my god, that is so handy. It comes with a spoon, knife, and chopsticks. I love that. That'll actually definitely come in handy. Okay, we have a couple other things. Some wireless headphones. Let's see what these look like. I don't think I've ever been this excited for a package in my entire life, honestly. I am so excited about that water bottle. You guys have no idea. I've never had anything personalized, let alone a freaking water bottle. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna use that for work tonight. I am. I'm gonna walk in with my personalized water bottle and say, what's up? It's EJ. EJ, the DJ. Look at these. These are cute. These are chic. It's It's got like marble on the side, like a nice subtle dark marble, and then like a rose goldy kind of color around the side. I love that. I'm literally gonna rock up to the first day of uni like this. Wow, I can't even hear myself. They also sent me this cute little Typo Gold Pen. Is this black? I hope it's black. It's black. I only ever really write in black ink, not blue. Once you go black, you can never go back. And then last but certainly not least, they sent me this cute as little backpack. I swear by backpacks. I've never been one to like carry a handbag to uni. It's a backpack or nothing. So this is perfect. It's got a little section here for your laptop and a front pocket. I'm so excited to use this, and this will go with everything because it's black and it's neutral. I love that. Oh my gosh, I feel so spoiled right now. Huge thank you to UNiDAYS and Typo for hooking a gal up. I'm like set for uni now. And if you guys want to check out UNiDAYS, I'll have a link down below as I mentioned earlier. Thank you guys for watching this video, this little mystery unboxing. Something a little different, something a little funky, fresh and fun. And I feel like I should do more like unboxing videos on my channel. Let me know if you want to see that. And let me know what other back to uni videos you guys want to see in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye!